For years, I thought motivation was a secret weapon. I waited for it before starting anything big, workout projects, even chasing my dreams. But the truth is motivation is like smoke. It shows up when it wants and fades up anytime it feels like. So I stopped chasing motivation, and what I replaced it with completely changed my life and made things to get done. So stick to the end of this video. Here's a trap. When you rely on motivation, you're basically gambling with your goals. Some days you feel unstoppable, the other days you can't even get out of bed. That's why most people start strong and quit halfway. I lived in the circle for years, feeling hyped one day, one moment, burned out the next. What worked better wasn't motivation, it was a system, tiny routines that ran even when I didn't feel like it. Instead of waiting for the energy, I built a habit that made action automatic. For example, laying out at my gym clothes the night before got me to the gym faster than any motivational video ever did. Once I stopped chasing motivation, I realized progress doesn't care how I feel. Action creates result, and result brings momentum. That momentum became my fuel. It made discipline addictive, and when discipline kicks in, you don't need motivation at all. You just keep moving forward and progressing. So if you're tired of waiting for motivation, build a system today. Start with one small habit that triggers your action automatically. Comment below the routine you set up for yourself. I'll reply to you to make sure you're accountable.